How does Valgrind show C++ stack traces? Have you ever wondered how to pinpoint the exact location of a bug in your C++ code? One powerful tool that can help you with this is Valgrind. Today, we will discuss how Valgrind shows C++ stack traces and how you can use this feature to improve your debugging process. When you run your C++ program under Valgrind, it keeps a close eye on what is happening. If it detects a problem, such as a memory error, it uses a built-in unwinder to capture the sequence of function calls that led to that issue. This is where the stack trace comes into play. The stack trace is a record of the chain of function calls, showing you exactly which functions were called and where they are located in your source code. To get the most accurate stack traces, you need to compile your program with debugging information. You can do this by using the -G compiler option. This step is essential because it allows Valgrind to match memory addresses to function names and source lines. Without this information, the stack trace may not be as helpful. Another tip for clearer stack traces is to disable function inlining. You can do this by using the -fno inline option. Function inlining can sometimes make it harder to see the original function calls, so turning it off can help Valgrind show a more straightforward call chain. Valgrind's unwinder works by scanning the stack memory to find return addresses. It uses the debugging information and symbol tables to translate these addresses into function names and source locations. If for some reason the stack trace is incomplete, Valgrind can try to extend it by scanning the stack. However, this may lead to some inaccuracies, so the additional frames it adds may not always be reliable. When Valgrind detects a memory error, it provides a detailed error message along with the stack trace. This output shows where the error originated and the sequence of calls that led to it. This information is incredibly helpful for locating the exact spot in your C++ code that needs your attention. To summarize how to effectively use Valgrind for debugging in C++, follow these steps. First, compile your program with debugging symbols using the -G option and consider disabling inlining with the -fno inline option. Next, run your program under Valgrind's memcheck tool or another appropriate tool. When an error occurs, Valgrind captures the stack trace by unwinding the call stack. Finally, use the output to identify the root cause of the bugs in your code. By mastering these techniques, you can significantly improve your debugging skills and tackle C++ programming bugs with confidence.